Alrighty. Looks like I have to shoot this from the back of the camera, which is the back of the phone, which is the back of the iPhone, which I own. I own the back of the iPhone and I own the front of the iPhone. The problem is the front and the back of the iPhone don't work the same. The front camera on the iPhone, wow, what a waste of my 2 hours that I have played around with it. Yeah, the 2 pinholes in the thing, I got that on YouTube somewhere, I don't know. That guy was pretty good. He had a nice professional video with it, like a big intro and everything. And he gave me the 2-pin trick, and the 2-pin trick did nothing. It cuts out. Anyway, here's the back of the iPhone. I'm going to stare at the back of my iPhone, and I'm going to have a little conversation with you. This is called Slightly Bent. I wrote this a while back, but it still feels good, especially at 79 BPM. You guys know what I'm talking about, I'm sure. I have laid me down just to close my eyes so I could pray for rain, and got no surprise. Then I bought diamond ring and pretty frilly things, so on those sunsets of Auburn I could hear you sing. And I tried to fill this time that I have spent with you, but just got lost and somehow slightly bent. There were crazy kisses and some sweet near misses, where the slow boat ride caught some high lazy tide. And I tried to fill this time that I have spent with you, but just got lost and somehow slightly bent. Like a cloud of dust still rising from the road, I could hang around until I disappear, but I won't break a dented heart already broken, that now speaks so slightly bent that it can't hear. And I have held on tight and rode a real good ride, but now the sun, it goes down on this auburn night. So I will try to fill this time that I now spend with you, until I'm lost and somehow slightly bent. Alrighty, drop by. Peace. And a little piece on the side.